TikTok Lite number change gone wrong. So hey guys, today's video I'll be teaching you how not to lose your account by doing this for your number. So if you want to put in your mobile number here, make sure if you have another account, make sure to at least delete that account that your number is connected to. Yeah, make sure to, or the second thing is make sure to not use that account anymore. Just make it inactive. So TikTok will see that you are not just making multiple accounts. You're just not making multiple accounts and just what to call this, using the other one, whatnot. So yeah, I suggest doing that. At least remove your old number from that, or delete the account there, or just don't use it anymore, just deactivate the account. Other then, so yeah, there you go. I won't lose it. So here I'll be teaching you where to find your number. Right here, click on three dots, click on settings and privacy. After pressing settings privacy, click on manage account. After pressing on manage account, right there you will see here phone number. Press on phone number. After pressing on phone number, all we need to do is enter our phone number. Once we enter our phone number, we will now receive an SMS verification code. So that SMS verification code, all we need to do is type in the code right here. Once we type in the code right here, there you go. We will have ourselves our number connected to our TikTok Lite. Easy as that. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys the video. If you enjoyed, if you have no question, concerns, leave it down question below, guys. I'll put answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.